Dongguan Kaibao Precision Machinery Co., Limited, was established in 2009. Located in Dongguan, Guangdong, that is near to Shenzhen Seaport. Mainly produces pneumatic sanders, electronic sanders, air polisher, electronic polisher, air angle grinders, air die grinders, air die grinding pens, professional automated manipulators, polishes and sanding backup pads. Most of our products are export to Europe, North America, Asia, Australia. We have our brand Pandas and Super that are for air sanders that are well received by our customers. At present, the company's workshop covers an area of 4,500 square meters. With 56 assembly staff have experience more than 5 years. And 8 development experienced technicians provide product research and development services. The production capacity is about 12 million pieces per year. Company was supported by many customers over the world in past years. Meanwhile, it absorbs advanced international technology, listens to users' opinions, and constantly innovates itself to ensure the stability and high quality of our products. Most of the accessories materials of the grinding machine and polishing machine are imported from Germany, Japan and Taiwan. We have 120 sets 3-axis and 4-axis machining centers, lathes, washing machines, internal grinders, external grinders, flat grinders and other processing equipment, as well as 3-dimensional projector, micrometer, oil scale, hardness test and other testing equipment. And there is a wealth of mechanical processing experience, a complete ISO management system, and the products have passed the CE inspection to ensure product quality stability. We Kaibao has gained many honors during the past years, such as Good Quality Management, an Enterprise of Credit Rating AAA, National High-Tech Enterprise and designated as Guangdong Enterprise Technology Center, etc. We, as one of the first leading air tools manufacturers in China, with the aim of quality is first, customer is satisfied. Hope to cooperate with you to create great future together.